Oh no, let me stop. Hey guys, NATGEE here, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another numbing hack video for you. Today's video is going to be filmed in two parts. So for today, I'm going to be using the GG Brazilian waxing system and the Ebin L520 numbing cream. Today, I'm not gonna get into the pros and cons of the waxing kit. I'm going to film that, but I'm going to upload it in a separate video. Today is really about the numbing cream. She's the star. So I'm gonna be mainly talking about did this work, yes or no, and also I'm going to be not only trying it with the at-home system, but because I have to actually go in for a Brazilian appointment, there's no way I'm going to be able to do this all by myself. I'm going to also numb myself before the appointment and include that in today's video. So today you're getting the full shebang, you're getting the full review, the full experience. And it made sense to put it on one video, but I didn't want the video to be too long while talking about this. So I feel like this should be like a separate video because I still think it's important because a lot of people try to wax at home. So that I can go in depth on this as well, separate video. But today, numbing cream. So if you want to get into this hack, then just scroll down, hit the subscribe button, join the NATGEE gang, and let's get into this video. I have no idea how long this has been sitting on my desk. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys know why I'm not looking impressed right now. I've been stalling on this video and I was wondering why. And then I remembered I was traumatized. So today, we have a waxing video, but most importantly, we have a numbing cream waxing video. Where's the numbing cream? It's here. So I'm actually gonna hurry and put this on so I can talk about other stuff in the meantime. Today, I'll only be doing my bikini line. It's just easier. I doubt I'll get the whole thing done. I doubt I'll be feeling that optimistic, courageous. Like, what is even the word? But we'll be using the Ebin L 520. If you are not new on my channel, then you'll remember that I use this during my heel, I don't want to say hack but like when I tried it for like numbing cream for heel wear, I used this numbing cream and people were swearing by it. So we will see today because this is a very sensitive area. So with the heel hack, I put it on like hours before I actually got to test it. So today I'm giving myself maybe like 10 minutes. So I just put on some of the numbing cream. I don't feel like I was sparing. I put on like this much and I'm gonna do it again. So ×2, that much cream. Just rubbing it into my skin as if it was like a lotion. I'm gonna go get my powder and put the wax in the microwave and come back. I'm gonna try not to be overly ambitious here because always my problem when I do these things is I'll put like wax down the whole side of my leg. Not necessarily the smartest thing to do. Like, let's just do like a little corner. Okay, I'm not burnt. I'm not burnt. So as long as you know, I'm not burnt. And now we're just waiting for this to dry. It actually hardens pretty quickly. The top of this is pretty hard for both pieces. I can't show you, but I kind of did like 2 sections. So now when I'm ripping, if the hair I move downward, I should be ripping up. I didn't put the powder down, by the way. I just wanted to test 2 small patches without it. But yeah, I should be pulling up. So I'm just going to lift the edges of this. I'm gonna make my skin taut. I'm pulling on my thigh. I'm screaming inside. Ooh. That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad at all. That wasn't bad. Hello. That wasn't bad at all. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Can I do this? Can I do more? But let's go. Pulling my stomach taut. It actually isn't bad. I'm obviously not in the most scary of territory. But I feel like I felt more pain before doing this myself. That's the wax, guys. Can you hear it? It's hard. Ooh, yeah. That one hurt a bit more, but that's also because if you can tell, my application is like crazy. This was like across the top of my pom-pom. Okay, so now I'm waiting for my last 2 pieces to dry because I'm pretty much done with this experience. It's just not too much work, but I mean, like, I don't think I want to do the whole thing. Plus, I just booked my waxing appointment. Numbing cream wise, I didn't really feel much. So I'm excited for my waxing appointment this week. Let me sit up. Yeah, numbing cream wise, I consider this a success because I didn't have any crazy pain and nothing made me like jump. I think here's what we do have to remember is that either way you are pulling something off your skin. So I feel like I felt that more than like the deep root pain of my hairs being ripped off. You just kind of feel like a sticker ripping off your skin. So for me, I feel like, okay, we did that. It wasn't that painful. Like, we took out like a lot of hair, like from a lot of different places. And I feel like the pain was not that bad. So on Thursday, my wax appointment, I'm going to put it everywhere. I'm gonna put it like close to the lips, put it up on the front, everywhere, and see if I feel the same way. And I'll probably do it the same way I did today, about half an hour before my appointment. And yeah, I think we're gonna leave off here on the numbing front just because I don't think I have anything else to say. It worked for me. And I think the only way I'll be able to tell truly is if I go to my wax appointment and try it. Because one, right now, I'm only doing my bikini line, which is by far not the worst part of the entire waxing experience. If you've ever gone for a Brazilian, you know the minute Miss Ma'am gets close to the lips, you wanna die. You reconsider life. You're like, why am I here? Oh my God. You literally sit there and wonder if you're in hell, like if you're in purgatory, like what sins you committed to experience this. So final thoughts before we get into my wax appointment. I found that this did help for the bikini line, but again, the bikini line is not a treacherous area. So on Thursday, I have my wax appointment. I'm going to put this on front to back, everywhere. Then I will just like video you guys in before, and I'll see if I can sneak a video in during. I don't know about that. It's hard. It's really awkward for me to film while I'm doing stuff, so I don't know about that. But I'm gonna try. And then I'll give you guys my final thoughts on Thursday to see if that works. Because I feel like that's the only way I'll really know if something works, is not if I'm doing it, because in my mind, I know when it's coming. I know my rate. I know how rough I'm gonna be. If there's another person involved, it could get really out of hand real quick. So I will see you guys on Thursday when I'm trying this before my wax appointment. So I'm on my way to my wax appointment. I literally vibes. Where's Paul? I literally lost track of time this morning. My appointment's in like 10 minutes and I'm 20 minutes away. I'm on my way. I slapped the numbing cream on. Just a little bit of background on how my morning's going. Got my period. So I'm like super happy right now. Really interested in getting a wax. Like so happy to be getting a freaking wax. So I'm on my way to get a wax, though I have my fucking period. I have taken naproxen because I get really bad period cramps. Like even like this morning, I woke up out of my sleep with cramps. Like it was not good at all. So I ate something, I took my pill or whatever, and had a hot water bottle on, and now I've slapped numbing cream on my coochie. So I'm on my way to my waxing appointment. I don't think I'm going to film it during, because on top of it, I don't even have my typical waxing lady. So I'm kind of just like, we'll see how it goes, but I'll definitely come back after and give you guys final thoughts and wrap this up. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it's over. First of all, getting a sugaring done while you're on your period with a tampon in is a wild experience that I never want to experience again. Secondly, no. I felt it all. Like, again, I feel like I have a higher pain tolerance, but your girl was still flinchorama, flinch mania. Like, it still hurt. You know what? I think it's good because it doesn't sting. I feel like there's sometimes, depending on who does it, you can have a bit of like a burn after because they're just so abrasive. I don't have that. I did insert my ticket. Am I stupid? Well, let's go find a paint machine. Because what the actual fuck? Top of the list of things I never want to do again. Park here. I just want to go home. What? God, that was an experience. Anyways. Yeah, so felt every little push and pull during that wax. So it's a no for me. Yeah, it's a no for me. And again, what I was saying before was that during the process, you know what, I can't even say it's a no, guys. I have to say, like, it depends on what you're expecting. If you're anticipating to feel nothing, that's not gonna happen here. I'm so sorry. Like, that's not the journey we're on as women. Like, beauty is pain. They said that, they meant that with their whole chest. What we more so, I guess, can look forward to is the after. Right now, like, I have zero discomfort. That's good. Take what we can get, I guess. It's literally during, unless I just didn't give it enough time, like, maybe I should have left it on longer. Should have done it earlier. But that's just not my reality. I was rushing out the door, which is, I think, a lot of our realities when we have an appointment. Either that or you're somewhere else. So you've put this thing on from hours before. So it's like, I don't know. I guess I just keep trying it. And I'm going to start making it part of, like, my pre-waxing routine. And basically, like, we'll see. Like, if I have anything of note to say, I'll let you know. Like, if one day I feel nothing, then I feel nothing. But for the purpose of today's video, I wouldn't say, like, oh my gosh, it was totally, like, painless. There was not as much pain in theory, but was it still painful at times? Yes. If you're someone who really can't stand pain, is this gonna fix all your problems? No. Especially if you're doing it like half an hour before. If you want to avoid pain, I'd recommend putting it on at least an hour before. So you'll have to remember that. And again, I'm not guaranteeing that it'll be painless. It just kind of helps. So if you're looking for a little something to take the edge off, it works. But it is not perfect. I will tell you that. There were moments I was like, ooh, what was that? What was that about? Even out, I'm 520. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything I did today. Leave that in the comments down below. And as always, subscribe to me. You pay my bills, right? Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. It's always on my mind. I'm not gonna fight.